Mga magbiyanan ang kasama natin dito sa pambansang laro ng bayan ng Pinoy Henyo. Ito muna sa stewardess, Saida. Anong handog mo sa amin ni Bossing?
I prepared kutsinta and yog, sir.
Oo, pare.
Hey,
Kunchinta.
what's kutsinta in English?
Rice cake.
Rice cake?
Parang niloloko na tayo. Rice cake ba talaga?
Pwede, pwede.
Okay.
Is your kutsinta yummy?
Yes, sir. My kutsinta is yummy and very appetizing.
Wow, appetizing, huh?
Appetizing.
That's a new word, appetizing. What do
Next.
you mean by appetizing?
Because I prepared my kutsinta very nice.
Very nice. Okay.
Is it clean?
It's clean, sir. I washed it.
Very good.
Is it beneficial to all concerned?
Is it the truth? Ano ba yun?